In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix hair in Canva. If you're working in a headshot, a resume photo, or a social media design, messy flyaway hairs or rough edges around the hair can make the whole image feel less polished. The good news is that Canva gives you a few simple tools to clean that up without needing advanced editing software. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can improve the look of your portrait and keep your design looking professional. To begin, open Canva and go to the design project you want to edit. From your homepage, find the design in your recent projects and open it in the editor. Once you're inside the canvas, click on the portrait photo you want to fix. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline appear around the image. This step is important because all of the editing tools we need will only show up when the image layer is active. Next, go to the top toolbar and click Edit Photo. In the panel that opens, look for the BG Remover tool. This feature helps separate the person from the background, which is especially useful when hair edges are blending into a busy backdrop. After you click it, Canva will automatically process the image and remove the background. Give it a moment to finish, and then check the edges around the hair to see how clean the result looks. If you still notice stray hairs or small flyaways sticking out, go back into the Edit Photo panel and choose Magic Eraser. This is the tool that helps clean up those little distractions. Adjust the brush size so it matches the thickness of the strands you want to remove. Then carefully paint over the unwanted hair on the image. Once you release the mouse, Canva will analyze the area and try to replace it naturally using the surrounding background. Use small, controlled strokes here for the most realistic result. After that, if the hair looks a little flat or too soft, after removing the background, open the Adjust tab. In this section, you can fine-tune the image so the hair has more depth and texture. Gently increase clarity to help define the strands. You can also slightly raise shadows or contrast to bring back dimension. Make small changes rather than pushing the sliders too far because subtle edits usually look the most natural. Before exporting, take a moment to drag the image into position and make sure it aligns nicely with the rest of your layout. Canva's guides will help you center everything cleanly. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG if this is for digital use, or PDF print if you need a file for printing. Then click Download to save your finished design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.